Hi there, this is your August 2026 market update. It's Grant, Weston, and Jim Bim here with Winning Edge Real Estate, and the big question that everybody seems to be asking and is concerned with is interest rates. The reality is, and depending on your loan program, interest rates are down a solid 0.25% from this time last year. So here in Maryland, things are going good.
And the market's responding accordingly. So there are fewer homes available for sale right now. Buyer activity, the interesting, is increasing right now, and the median home prices are still moving slightly higher. So the big question, because that is now a good time to buy or sell? And for many buyers and sellers, the answer is yes, but for very different reasons. So Grant, what are the numbers looking like right now?
Yeah, so the numbers right now of active homes for sale has actually declined more than 13%. So a little bit less to pick from and a little less competition, which is good. At the same time, pending sales have increased about 7%, and the number of homes sold has increased about 2%, which is all great news. And the average sales price rose about 4% to approximately $566,000 across Maryland, which is, great information.
That's great news. And so what does that really mean if you're selling a home? So for sellers, that does mean there's fewer homes on the market. However, that means you still have to make sure you're priced accordingly based upon the condition, and the right agents taking the right actions to get the home sold. Just because there's limited inventory doesn't mean you can't price it not to sell. So making sure you're doing everything correctly from second one is still resulting potentially in multiple offers today. If you don't, you're sitting and not selling. So Grant, what does that mean for buyers then in that case?
Yeah, so great question. As we say to everybody, whether you're buying or you're selling, don't just buy and sell just because you want to. Do it because it's the right thing for you to do at that time in your life. If you're not ready, you won't get a good buy, and it'll take you too long and you'll get exhausted of the process. So as we say to everybody, if you find the right house and it's the right time for you, buy it. If you find the right house and it's not the right time for you, don't buy it. So Dad, what would you think that you would close out with for everybody?
Well, so the reality is, and if you'd like more information, it's very niche related to your neighborhood, your area. If you want more information, don't hesitate to reach out to us, whether the buying or selling, or frankly, you just have a question and you'd like more information. Don't hesitate to reach out. It's Grant, Weston, and Jim Bim here with Winning Edge Real Estate, and we're waiting for your call.